This 2021 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 378 RBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 41 feet 7 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, a Graystone interior, sleeps 6, external shower, oven, self-contained, smoke detector, slideout, skylight, spare tire kit, water heater, LP detector, air conditioning, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 378 RBS is 13,067 pounds. This 2021 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 378 RBS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.